Your little feet, you did a flutter kick when you jumped.
Stop. Go, Izzy. That's so cool.
That pop's amazing, guys.
I'm so jealous.
You want nothing?
I gotta do this. Okay.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Erin. And I'm Izzy. And today we're gonna be playing Punch the Box for Fidget.
So this is gonna be a really amazing video because we've played this before, but for slime supplies or school supplies or clothes, but we've never played it for Fidget, so I'm really excited. And how this challenge works is we can either punch 1 or 2. But if we, when it's our turn. But if we punch 2, then the other person gets to punch 2. But you may not want that because
they can get 2 awesome, really cool prizes. Yeah.
So rock paper scissors to see who gets to punch the box first. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Yes!
okay. I'm gonna punch this one.
Bruh.
I got a monkey noodle. A whole box of monkey noodles. It said monkey noodle. I thought it was gonna be one really giant one. Oh, ooh, these are fat. Look at them.
Can I feel?
Okay, so these are so cool. And best of all, they're great for this.
Ow! Ow! Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to kick one. Actually, I'm punching this one right here. Oh, I got a little cute unicorn keychain. Let me pop it.
Cool.
Let me get it on the good side. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that. Oh my god, that pops great.
Get back on the counter. Off to a great start. I still like my noodles. And what is wrong with this? I got a black poppet. I've never seen a black poppet before. This is so cool. It's like a night sky. Oh, it's not on the poppy side. But I can already tell it's gonna pop great. You missed one. That pop's amazing, guys.
I'm so jealous.
I'm really off to a great
Okay.
start. Yes, that's my favorite prize.
Okay, I'm gonna try to
She can't get back on the counter.
I can.
Then do it.
I'm gonna kick it and I'm
Just go. 1. Oh, wow. You made Go. Oh!
Oh! I got a Minnie Mouse rainbow poppet!
Okay, let me put this on the poppy side. What?
I'm excited.
Your little feet, you did a flutter kick when you jumped. Okay. I can already tell this doesn't pop well because it pops well when it's not even on the poppy side. This is a really cool poppet. Oh my god, I love this poppet. It's so soft too. Look who came to join us. And I'm gonna pop 2 boxes. Okay, first goes Zachary. You ready?
Bruh.
This is yours. You got a controller! Look at that! That's so cool! Okay, let me pop my next one, or punch. Whoa! This is a giant one! Here goes Zachary. Okay. First is this controller. I'm putting it on the poppy side, guys. Okay, guys, here it is. It's a controller. Whoa, that one's nice. Okay, look how giant this is, guys. The controller is really big, too. Oh, it doesn't do that. I think this isn't the poppy side, guys. It sounds great. Okay, let's see. Whoa, that wasn't even the poppy side. Okay, it doesn't do that. What? I guess I'll need some. Wow. Okay, is it your turn? I think I'm winning.
Okay, so Zach,
you get to pop two.
I know. Okay, Zachary's gonna pop this. Well, not pop. Go, Zachary. Oh, Izzy! Okay, this is Zachary's. Oh, I got two poppets! I got a rainbow poppet and a mermaid tail poppet. Okay, let's punch the other one. Okay. Look what I got! I got fidget spinner poppets!
No way. I hit the jackpot. I'm so glad I got to pop two, but I got four. Let me put them on the poppy side. Oh, this one's a little hard though. Okay, let's pop the rainbow first. Whoa, that pops really good. Okay, super hard to put on the poppy side though. Next is the mermaid tail. The other half of the mermaid, but this is still cute. All right, the fidget spinners. I've popped. They came in a case and they're poppet fidget spinners. Oh my gosh. Okay, get them all out of the package. All right. So here's the first one. Wow! Okay, let's spin these, but first I'm gonna put them on the poppy side. All right, I'm gonna spin them all at the same time. Look at that, and the tie-dye, this one's my favorite. All right, let's pop them. Wait, I think I just have to pop them out like this. This actually pops pretty good. Wakeboard came. We're gonna go stay on a houseboat. Wait, no way. I could stack them like this. Okay, I can stack two. Look at this stuff. That's cool. Okay. Oh, and I almost forgot my poppets. One, two, three. Okay, you made it. So, should I pop one or two? One. No. This one. Another controller! Oh my god, this one's so cool! It's pink and black, guys! Look at it! Okay, let me put it on the poppy side. Awesome. I'll say hi to Destin. Hi, Bugs. No, it was the poppet. Are you sure? Look. See? Okay. Here you go. One. Oh, I got a bunch of little poppets. They're dinosaurs. Oh my god, Gabe will love these. And it's the chicken. Oh my god, these are adorable, so. Oh, sorry. Do this over again. These are so cute. I really like these. I feel like Gabe's gonna steal a Ruby though. 1, 2, 3. Okay, my turn, and And I'm gonna go for 2 this time.
Oh!
Nothing!
You got nothing?
A unicorn! Keychain fidget. What are you doing? That's not bad.
Oh!
Wow.
She's right there.
Hi, buddy! Hi, buddy!
Look, wait, look, guys.
Hi, buddy! Hi! Okay, bye. Hi, buddy. What's the thing so easy to say? Hi, buddy. Hi. Aw. Hi, buddy.
She could be a customer when we open 24 hours. She could reach. Okay. And then she takes her hair. Okay, I gotta choose this one. What? I gotta choose this one. Oh, simple dimples! There's 2 of them.
I hope you get nothing the next one.
Simple dimples. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. More pop and fidget spinners! Look at this!
Look at these. These are black simple dimples and they're so cute. Those pop nice. Alright, well, I got 3 of these different colors. So this one's dark blue and okay, let's see how they spin first. They spin really nicely. Let's see how they pop. First, let's see the blue one. Yeah, it pops good. Alright, the white. What? Alright, and the black. They pop really good.
Check out some
1, 2, 3.
Okay, but I'm gonna pop 2 again because I only got 1 thing on it. Look at this, it's not that for me.
A fidget bracelet?
And move, your knees in the way. Move, your knees in the way.
A liquid motion bubbler and a butterfly fidget.
There's only 1 left. I can't even pop 2.
I know. It's on the wrong side. This is really hard to put on the poppy side. Okay, that was the poppy side, guys. Here is the motion bubbler. We used to have one. I don't know where it went, though. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that, guys. And if you like go down, it goes down all the way to one side. And this is like a fidget Apple Watch. See? This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Okay. Pretty nice. Never seen that before, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna punch this one. The last one. Oh man, it's just a
Yellow unicorn. I won before. Oh my god. It's cute though. You cheated somehow.
How?
I know you cheated.
How?
What did you want?
What did you want, bro?
The fidget watch.
Let's see. These are my favorite.
I wanted those too. She cannot be quiet.
Okay, guys, this was super fun. I think we need to do another fidget trade fair because I really want some of those fidgets you want.
These are off limits.
But I will trade you for a dinosaur. I have 20 fidgets.
Okay, guys, so I guess we'll do another another fidget trading video, but I really don't want to trade my new fidgets.
I think I popped the fidget spinners of these on the wrong side because I just popped them and they sounded way. Stop!
I might trade you for one of those. Well, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to comment on Life with Brothers TikTok and Life with Brothers Shorts. Our TikTok is at Izzy Mary's Diary. We do have a Life with Brothers TikTok. We just don't post.
Bye!